हे गाइस, वेलकम टू E24। मैं हूं नवीन सिंह भारद्वाज और आपको बता दूं कि काफ़ी लंबे समय से इस फिल्म का इंतज़ार चल रहा था। जी हां, हम बात कर रहे हैं सितारे ज़मीं पर का। साल था 2021 जब इसकी खबर आई थी कि हाँ, अब ये फिल्म की शूटिंग की शुरुआत होने वाली है और उस वक्त से हम अब तक यानी 2025 तक हम बड़े एक्साइटेड हैं। जी हाँ, इसका ट्रेलर आउट हुआ और बहुत ही बेहतरीन था ट्रेलर। और ये फिल्म 20 तारीख को यानी 20 जून को सारे सिनेमा घरों में रिलीज़ होने वाली है। हमारे साथ इस वक्त खुद मौजूद हैं इस फिल्म के डायरेक्टर RS प्रसन्ना, जिनसे आज हम पूछने वाले हैं कि आखिर इस फिल्म का राज क्या है। जी हाँ, थोड़े बहुत ट्रेलर देखकर हमें बहुत ही ऐसा एक्साइटिंग लगा था, पर भीतर की बात यही बता पाएंगे। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है E24 पे।
थैंक यू नवीन,
कैसे हो
सो मच। बहुत ही बढ़िया, थैंक यू फॉर योर लवली वर्ड्स।
Thank you so much. How is it going? Do you still feel like anxious and ऐसे excitement वैसी वाली feeling आती है जब जैसे जैसे डेट करीब आते हैं रिलीज के वैसा?
Yeah, it reminds you of the date that you go with your girlfriend, and because you're scared, you're excited also, and you hope that you know the love that you have made it with, you know, it reciprocates. And trailer gave us a lot of love.
Who all have seen this film like properly in the production house or something? किस तरह से आपको देखने के बाद के फीडबैक मिले? I want to know about it because ऐसा होता है कि फिल्म रिलीज से पहले आप लोग भी देखते हैं बैठ के। कुछ ऐसा हुआ, कुछ बात हुई, अगर कुछ बताना चाहे तो?
I would not like to speak about that because before the release of the movie, I don't want to share कि क्या हुआ उससे पहले. That's the audience to decide. So I would not want to speak about that because मुझे लग रहा है कि we have reached here because we all feel it has come out well and we are all happy with it.
Right.
बाकी तो audience को बोलना है ना, तो I don't want to say anything.
I want to ask you that like you have been following Aamir Khan. We all have been following Aamir Khan. उनकी सारी फिल्में हम देखते हैं. But when it came in your mind कि हाँ, मतलब ये प्रोजेक्ट आमिर खान ही कर सकते हैं, I want to ask you about that first meet कि किस तरह से आपने उनको कन्विंस किया कि I am only seeing you as this character. वैसा आपकी क्या बातचीत हुई थी उनसे?
यार पहले तो आमिर सर के साथ बात करना बहुत आई थॉट इन माई माइंड कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा बिकॉज इज अ सुपरस्टार. आई हैव नॉट वर्कड विद अ सुपरस्टार बिफोर एंड आई रियली लुक अप टू हिम. सो बट द मिनट आई मेट हिम विद इन 5 minutes ही मेड मी सो कंफर्टेबल एंड मुझे लगा कि मैं एक दोस्त के साथ बात कर रहा हूँ. एंड वो उनका बड़ापन है कि he made me feel very comfortable. Actually, then I realized over the last 5 years that he makes everybody comfortable. So once I can tell you that once when we were doing that, he was sitting and chatting with me like this. So then I was about to roll. He said, "Bhai, मैं कर लेता हूँ ना भाई. I don't want to take a chance." So he went and gave his full dialogue so that the crowd का reaction will be the same which when he gives. He feels that 1% भी I should not feel like I have compromised.
Was it already in your mind when you were approaching Aamir Khan for this project, सितारे ज़मीं पे the title, और ये एक टेबल पे डिस्कस हुआ था कि नहीं, इस फिल्म का नाम हम ये रखना चाहेंगे?
करेक्ट. सो क्या हुआ कि पहला वो टाइटल वी हैड नॉट फिक्स्ड एनी टाइटल, इट केम ऑर्गेनिकली. सो क्या हुआ था कि आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ तारे ज़मीन पर एंड लाइक यू आर मास्टरपीस. सो वी यूज्ड टू ऑर्गेनिकली कीप टॉकिंग एंड ड्यूरिंग ब्रेक टाइम आई यूज्ड टू कीप आस्किंग सर अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस अबाउट हिज मूवीज बिकॉज ये मेरा अपॉर्चुनिटी है लर्न करने में. करेक्ट. And so I used to keep asking questions to sir and he used to be very fondly telling us all about stories and anecdotes, kaisa kiya, all that. So at one point what happened was in one of our discussions, I think before our pre-production was starting, he said that yaar, why don't, it's very similar na, thought mein और feeling में वो similar world से है. तो प्रसन्ना, why don't we kind of make this like a spiritual successor? I said, wow, it's a great idea, sir. But it's your film, like Tare Zameen Par is your film. So if you feel that this film is worthy of that, then I will be very touched. But it's your call. And he said, no, मुझे तो लग रहा है ये तो करना ही है. And then all of the team got excited.
My next question will be like I remember when I started my career, I was very much scared of camera, like coming in front of the camera. And thanks to the cameraman of my fraternity, like media fraternity, उन लोगों ने मुझे बहुत comfortable feel कराया उसके लिए. The Sitares you have casted, I want to ask about them कि आपने किस तरह से उनको comfortable, because उनके में भी fear होगा. They are all new actors and एक स्पेशल पर्सन होने के नाते उनको भी बहुत सारे सवाल होते होंगे, उनके भी ऐसा होता होगा कि कैमरा इधर है, मैं कैसे एक्टिंग करूँगा एंड एवरीथिंग. हाउ वाज दैट एनवायरनमेंट?
See, first of all, we auditioned 2,500 people, and the people we chose, all the sitare you see, were already people with a kida to act.
Oh.
That was the only thing I was looking for. बस बाकी सब हम सिखा सकते हैं.
Right.
See, तेरे अंदर भूख है ना, तो मैं खिला सकता हूँ तुझे. तेरे अंदर भूख नहीं है, then whatever food you give, you will not. So when I saw them, like you identified with Darshil, I identified with myself as an actor, as a kid. You know, when I used to act. Whenever guests used to come home, I used to come and act like Kamal Hassan, Shivaji Ganeshan, Rajnikant and all that. So when I saw the auditions of them, and when Amir sir, me, Tess Joseph, Anmol was a casting, when we all saw together, we felt that all of these 10 people have got that desire to act.
Right.
तो क्या होता है जब तेरा डिजायर है एक्टिंग करने का, जो भी चीज, फियर भी होता है, पर व्हेन दैट डिजायर विल ओवरकम दैट फियर वेरी सून इफ यू आर बोलते हैं ना born to act.
Right.
So we were blessed when we saw these 10 sitare that they had that kida in them to act. Wherever you, for example, if I call them now and say, can you act? All of them say, me. I want to act. So they are that energy. Once that energy is there, then you can have workshops with them, and that workshop I will also have to go through if I have to become an actor. The same workshop which any amateur actor goes through, same thing we did with them.
Right.
Same coaching which basketball आपको भी दिया गया होगा, और me, same thing we had our basketball coach. So I feel that the kida in them to act was there. And what we did is we made sure that people all around them, we had a workshop on special needs education by Dr. Neena Vaidya. They coached us ki what is autism, what is Down syndrome.
Okay.
And every department took the effort, learnt, and we made the consultant sit with every department.
Right.
So what are the lights which to be used? There are some lights which flicker.
Okay.
So maybe some of them may have certain epileptic reactions.
Exactly.
Which didn't happen, thankfully.
Okay.
So every department was sat with the consultant, asked questions from their department. कि lighting में मैं कैसा करना चाहिए. So for example, we lit the environment and we made sure that they are not disturbed by the noise and the crowd and the chaos.
Exactly.
Which I feel anyway in any film set, it should be that way only. The actor and the director should not be disturbed by, because otherwise you'll always be, it should be a calm environment. Same way, even costume, the fabric to be used. Some of them have, they get rashes. Some of them have, it's too rough for them. So the costume designer, Sachin, my DOP, Srini, everybody, production, everybody, designers, Nikhil and Apurva. I would love to name all of them, but everybody took the...
They should get credit.
Took the effort to sit with them and find out, and all their assistants too. What is it that has to be done? What shoe to wear? To give them every comfort. So we were very clear कि there are sitare. Stars के लिए हम मेहनत करते हैं ना, to keep them comfortable. So they are my stars.
Shubh Mangal Savdhan was a very great film. Like it has given a very good message.
Thank you.
Including this film also, it is going to give a good message. Your films have always like from past two films, if I can say, that both of the films are giving a very good message.
Thank you.
And after that, have you ever thought of like making another like film? क्योंकि अब ऐसा है कि RS प्रसन्ना की फिल्म है तो उससे अच्छे मैसेजेस मिलेंगे जो कि समाज में एक नया सवाल, जो कि एक रूढ़िवादी सोच है, तो उसमें एक नया सवाल खड़े करने वाले हैं कि ये इसको नॉर्मल करते हैं. जैसे कि शुभ मंगल सावधान में आपने एक नॉर्मल करने का कोशिश किया. नाउ दिस फिल्म, इसके बाद आपने कोई ऐसा टॉपिक सोच रखा है आपके दिमाग में?
नहीं, एक्चुअली मेरा सोच वो नहीं है कि I should give some message.
Okay.
मेरा सोच ये हर बार होता है कि अच्छा सा कहानी हो, बहुत ही entertaining हो, and I react as an audience like Amir sir. That's why I say I am the student in the school in which Amir sir is the principal. So
but entertaining था, आपकी पिछली फिल्म भी entertaining रही है, ये भी फिल्म I'm sure ये this is
I'm saying in, like you're asking in future, do you look for the social message? So for example, if there is a social message oriented film which is not entertaining, that will not appeal to me.
Right.
It should be an entertaining film, and वो social message should be the reason for me to do the film.
Right.
जैसे कि इस पिक्चर में आप देखोगे, apart from the fact that जो फिल्म है ये the thought of inclusion, कि this is a story that we have to tell. ये कहानी बोलना ही है, क्योंकि ये जो सोसाइटी में जो ये थॉट जो तारे ज़मीन पर में आया उसको और भी लेके जाना है कि कैन, लाइक आमिर सर सेड रिसेंटली कि कैन वी हैव इंक्लूसिव स्कूल्स, कैन वी हैव इंक्लूसिव सोसाइटी जहाँ पे एक बच्चा डाउन सिंड्रोम हो और न्यूरोटिपिकल एंड न्यूरो डाइवर्जेंट, ऑल ऑफ देम स्टडीइंग टुगेदर, इज इट पॉसिबल? इन मेनी स्कूल्स आर डूइंग इट, बिकॉज ये करने से न्यूरोटिपिकल बच्चे को भी बहुत फायदा होता है,
बहुत फायदा,
उनके अंदर एम्पैथी आ जाता है, उनके अंदर एक फ्रेंडशिप आ जाता है, द लाइफ like our set, it becomes a very happy place, you know. So I think that is what really pushed us in all these years कि यार ये पिक्चर करना ही है, क्योंकि that's what a social message does. So for me it's not social message, it's human emotion.
Lastly, I want to ask you this. Are you in those actors, those directors in which like कि आप भी दूसरों की फिल्में देखते हैं और उससे भी रहता है कि हम ये देख के कुछ नया सीखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और समथिंग? डू यू वॉच फिल्म्स एंड लर्न फ्रॉम देम, लर्न फ्रॉम दैट फिल्म्स? ऐसा कुछ है, आप भी करते हैं ऐसा, या फिर आप क्या देख रहे हो?
नहीं, ये तो that is part of
because I have met many directors, I have asked them, sorry मैं कट कर रहा हूँ, I have met many directors, वो लोग कहते हैं नहीं मैं फिल्म नहीं देखता, नहीं मैं बिल्कुल नहीं देखता ऐसा, so that's why I'm asking you.
वो सबका अपना अपना नॉर्मल होता है. Everybody has their own way of doing it. But I like watching films, but I don't watch too many films.
Okay.
I like watching films which appeal to me. Like I recent times I saw the trailer of Meiyaragan, a Tamil film by Prem Kumar who did 96.
Okay.
Starring Arvind Swamy and Karthi. Trailer देखा and I felt immediately मुझे देखना ही ये picture.
Okay.
बहुत enjoy किया Meiyaragan and I learnt a lot from that film. Then I saw, I think, re-release of Lagan happened recently in the theater. I went
in the
and
theater,
saw. Again, for the 100th time, I learned so many things from that. कि इतना entertaining है, इतना funny है, इतना inspiring है. Again, I took notes. So yeah, watching films, reading books.
Okay.
I am a book reader. I have learned a lot about cinema, about life from books.
Okay.
So I think book reading is very important for me.
Okay.
अभी थोड़ा time नहीं मिल रहा है और दिमाग
रिलीज हो जाने के बाद
रिलीज हो I have to catch up on a lot of books which I've kept on the side that I want to read.
All right, thank you so much हमसे बात करने के लिए and all the best for the film. We all are very much excited for this film and thank you so much for bringing this film and we were waiting for this film. So finally इसका रिलीज डेट आ चुका है और ये है 20 तारीख को जो कि सारे सिनेमा घरों में रिलीज होने वाला है. Thank you so much once again.
So June 20th only in theaters.
Yeah.
And I am also excited. I have been a fan of Tare Zameen Par. So I am looking forward to this movie as both.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.